Hey folks, it's Joe from Remax Gold, your St. Louis friendly realtor, coming to you today with Joe's Home Hacks. And today we're going to talk about what's in Joe's backyard because we get some crazy stuff. Now I know birds are not exactly crazy, but we have this crazy male cardinal that keeps trying to get in the house. I'm not sure what he's doing. Maybe you guys can let me know. Feel free to send me a text or an email or something, or just respond. Just let me know what you think. Take a look. So this cardinal keeps coming and hitting my window. It's been doing this for months. Well, at least for a month and a half anyway. And I can't quite figure out why. It just keeps coming at the window. It does this every day. It does it a couple of times a day. Every time it sees me, it flies away. But it just keeps coming and pecking at the window. If anybody has any ideas, give me an idea what this bird is trying to do. Is it seeing a reflection? Is it trying to get in the house? I think it's another bird. Not sure. Cannot figure this out. Well, I'm going to chalk it up to Angry Birds. I don't know what else to call it. Till next time, folks, Joe's Homes. Take care.